The man found a wounded bird on the windowsill. He brought it a bowl of water to drink, and took it home and took good care of it. After some time, the bird had almost recovered from its injuries, but it didn't want to leave. The man had no choice but to take it in. But the man didn't keep it as a pet, but as a brother. So the bird flew out every day for a walk. That day, the bird flew out for a walk as usual. But when it came back, it had a $10 bill in its beak. The man thought he found it on the road. But the next day and the third day, it came back with money every day. But before long, the drawer was full of money. The man asked him where he got the money from. But the bird said it came from a robbery. Do you love a bird that brings you money?